Thank you.
Kamusta pakiramdam?
Happy.
Before anything else, ang dami namin kasing tatanungan sa inyo bilang, JD fans and certified outwardistas. So let's start off with...
On the Wings of Love has been so phenomenal for you guys.
Did you ever imagine na maging ganito ka-successfully on the Wings of Love? The answer is no.
We weren't sure if it was going to be successful or not, and we're so nervous. But I don't know, everything fell into place.
In those 6 months, what more did you discover about each other?
I guess during the show, we just became more comfortable. I mean, I see what she looks like when she's in a bad mood, or a good mood, or upset about something, and everything. We're comfortable around each other.
So pati yung negative stuff,
Yeah,
na-embrace mo na rin.
Yeah.
As a fan, as an Otwarista, one of my favorite parts, for sure, are the kissing scenes.
Oo.
At one point, were you already thinking that, you were James and Adina, not Clark and Leia anymore?
I always feel like in character. I always do. But I admitted to her just recently that for the past so many months, whenever there was a kissing scene, I would look forward to it. Like I see this as partner I kiss, I'm like, yes.
Sincircle ka palagi.
I was actually
natin to.
excited for it.
How many takes per kissing scene?
Usually 2.
No.
No, wide and close up.
No. Usually.
Minamali mo ba talaga minsan na... Hindi, nakagalang na. Sorry. Hindi natin direct. Saan nangyari yun?
I don't want to make it so obvious.
Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy, kasi may game tayo dito. It's called Odd Word.
On the word.
Madali lang kasi. All you have to do is to say one word sa ipa-flash ko na salita.
Kahit anong word.
Kumari, for example, Robby Domingo.
Ano naisip mo?
Mali.
Baka sama mo kumain ka.
Hindi pumasok sa
Okay, dala ba kayo? Sabay ah.
Let's go.
Ready? James, Ling,
First word.
2, 1.
Football.
Colgate.
Okay. Next.
Telementals.
Basi.
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 It's a drink, like a...
Go.
Wala na.
Si James.
Ay, what? And the awkward thing is, ako rin, James. Ang labo. Takot ha? So, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ako most of you.
I was gonna say that.
Most of you.
Oh, okay. Pari-pareho ah.
Ako lang?
Oh.
Nakakatawa. Abs.
And then, of course,
Dean. There's no words that I can say that describes how I feel right now.
it's over. It's over. Grabe naman talaga ang kilig.
Hindi mo naman talaga ma-describe.
Hindi, honestly, I came here prepared. Hindi, handa ko sa lahat ng mga big moments. Pero hindi ko din expect. So lahat ng mga Otwaristas, JD fans, mga kapamilya, lagi magtatanong sa JD, kamusta ba ang status nila? And all the time, sabihin nila, hindi, trabaho lang.
Pero ngayon, iba na.
Iba na, lahat ng sinabi niya, kinain lang niya.
Oh my God, parang
Please, explain. Explain.
Oh.
Kaya I told you about it already.
So ano sinabi ni Nadine na kinain niya?
Hindi, kasi before, nagkasama kami ni Robby sa
Isang awards night.
awards night. And then, nagkakwentuhan kami. Then, tanong siya ng tanong kasi nga, autorista nga, ganyan. So, tatanong niya, wala ka bang gusto kay James? Ganyan. Yung mga ganong questions. Sabi ko, wala talaga. So, never mo siya magugustuhan kahit kailan. Sabi ko, hindi siguro. Ganon. Ang dami ko sinabi, puro ganon. Puro hindi. Tapos, nung nakita kami last time, parang sabi niya, ano na.
And then that movement changed everything. Diba? Sabi ko, iba talaga yung nagagawa. Ano ba yung babalik-balikan niyo? Favorite moment niyo sa On the Wings of Love?
All the moments seem like that. Because it was then that I was available with her. And it was actually gave me some time to vent out that love. I mean, picture's so romantic. It's cold, and the girl they love is sitting right there. So it's like, it really helped it grow into what it is now.
Ako, everything about it. Because
Everything.
that's, yun yung time kung saan nangyari lahat eh. Yung journey. So before friends, and then in the middle of it, slowly nagbago.
Ano ba yung nagustuhan mo kay James?
Lahat. No, kasi pag magkasama kami, he's very silly. Wala, as in, yung image mo ng James Reid, paano, na yung nakikita pag kasama ko siya, iba.
Gawa ka,
Bakit? Anong nagbago? I mean, like from a girl that saying na never
Step.
gusto, di ko to type.
What's your type?
Well, actually, it's true. Sinabi ko na rin sa kanya, hindi ko siya tayo.
Hoy, huwag ka ma-feeling ha!
Grabe ka, tagal mo nagla-live. Sergio. Hindi nga, ano yung nagpabago ng
Oh, ano yung turning point?
Actually, it was me.
Siya eh.
It was me. I mean, she didn't really care about the looks or the love team or anything like that. It was really me that something changed.
Did you see it coming?
No.
Kasi parang minsan, di ba, sa girl and guy, you know when you're falling in love with each other and you get hints na parang itong guy mukhang na in love na sa akin. Meron ka bang parang gano'n na nakita mo na pwede na in love na kami sa isa't isa?
That's weird kasi I can't remember when it started. We had a fight before that. Which was during the premiere night. We had a fight.
Okay.
And then we didn't talk for a few days.
For about 4 days.
For 4 days.
Complete
As
silence.
in, Clark and Leia on screen. But then,
So,
After, wala.
But
ang hirap yun,
it's
no?
like, there's a wall. But we didn't talk at all. As in, from when we got to the set, to when we got home. Even if we're standing next to each other. Rehearsal lines.
Kumusta yung vibe? Weird,
It
awkward.
was terrible.
And then, paano na?
And then after that?
It was terrible. Then I realized what it was like to not have her in my life. It was then at that moment that it started creeping up on me. Because I realized how much she meant to me. You know how they say you don't realize what you have until you lose it? I kind of got a taste of that. So then when we became friends again, I appreciated her a lot more. And I treasured it a lot more.
Paano ka bumawi sa kanya?
We flew to Locos, and that's when things just slowly got better. Back to normal.
Biruin mo, kung mawawala si James sa'yo. Wala ka ng boyfriend, wala kang masahista. Kasi kanina pa, biro ng biro eh.
doon sa Ilocos, parang, never mind, kinalimutan ko kung ano yung nangyari. So, wala na. So, binitawan ko na yun.
I-start button na lang tayo.
Parang ganun na lang yung ginawa ko. Then, in Ilocos, everything was fine. Everything was okay.
Ano ba yung factor na nagustuhan mo talaga kay Nadine?
I went through a lot of stuff last year that I feel grounded me and helped me realize what I really want and what I need. And it turns out that she was what I needed, and she was always right there. It's just, I think I was blinded by a lot of things. It turns out what I really wanted was just someone I can be 100% myself with, and who just understands you and makes your life easier. And with Nadine, because I never liked her before, and I never imagined us going to be together ever in the future, I was just completely weird with her, and silly, and like I pick my nose in front of her.
Wouldn't care. No
like I would with my best friend, or like anyone with their best friend, no walls. And I realized, wow, I'm completely myself when I'm with her, and I don't have to try to be anyone else. It made falling in love with her so easy.
Siguro kasi sobrang close nyo din.
Ako, with before kasi, parang akong yaya, lahat ginagawa ko para sa kanya. Alam mo yun, yung lahat ako, binibigay ko sa kanya. So, walang natitira for me, myself. So, gusto ko yung parang magbibigay din sa akin. Kasi nga, ubus ako eh.
Ito yung sa past relationships.
This is for the past.
And now?
Tapos, gusto ko rin yung someone who's, yun nga yung palagi nagpapatawa sa akin, will always make me smile. Kasi, very emotional akong tao. So, konting problema, konting issue.
Parang in-overthink, gano'n.
I overthink it. Ganun kasi ako yung buong mundo, binuhat ko sa shoulders ko mag-isa.
So, si James, dahil siguro silly siya, was that something that
He's always
attracted?
making me laugh. Tapos palaging magaan yung pakiramdam ko pagkasama ko siya. Yung lahat ng nangyari sa akin was really, really unexpected. I had other plans. I was studying. So parang iba yung plano ko eh. Iba yung 5 years from now, ito yung gusto ko, ito yung mangyayari sa akin. Iba. Iba dun sa nangyari. So, until now, parang plano ko ng plano. Iba yung nangyayari. But then, masaya ako sa kung ano yung nangyayari na yun.
Sa aming pagbabalik.
Before, to me, I wasn't so attracted to her. But now that I'm in love with her, I think she's so beautiful.
Parang feeling lang sa cloud 9 turn out lang.